Hi there, and welcome to Mixpanel's onboarding tutorials. This onboarding follows an iterative 3-step sprint approach: plan, implement, and launch. In plan, we focus on helping you define your metrics and KPIs, then mapping these metrics to events and properties in the tracking plan. We'll also cover setting up your Mixpanel organization, especially if this is your first time signing up. In Implement, we'll guide you through sending your first data into Mixpanel and best practices around QA and data audit. We'll also guide you in establishing a data governance framework to help keep your implementation clean, concise, and consistent. In Launch, we'll guide you in creating Mixpanel's dashboard through understanding our core reports and helping you define user cohorts to help you track and monitor your key users. Each sprint should range between 1 to 3 weeks. And once you've completed the onboarding, this process should be repeated in subsequent sprints where you refine and expand your tracking implementation. As you plan for Mixpanel onboarding, here are some key pointers to help you succeed. First, set your timeline and when you plan to go live. Working backwards from this date, plan your sprints and scope your implementation accordingly. Think about your business or product objectives, focusing on critical use cases or user journeys that you want to gain insights on. Identify the teams and users who will be using Mixpanel, and start to appoint champions that will help drive adoption. Make sure they are also involved in the onboarding process. Scope your implementation. Key here is to start small. Using the top 2 to 3 critical use cases, start with your primary platform with the most user base and identify any potential third-party integrations. Appoint the key stakeholders that will drive the onboarding process. For example, the executive sponsor ensures teams are aligned and empowered to drive Mixpanel implementation and adoption, while the program or project manager serves as the main driver for planning and execution of onboarding and implementation tasks. Having the right key stakeholders and resources ensures that you have a full buy-in for a successful onboarding. If you have any questions, check out our docs, leave a comment, or join our Slack community. Thanks for watching.